Hey, this is Sandy with our Tennessee Homestead. So not me, not we. Tim and Nick worked today to get this done, and unfortunately the video is going to be grainy because it's getting dark. We wanted to keep it from being able to blow away, so we put the pallets back around it. I know it looks real tacky and the pallets are in rough shape, but they're on that little flap on the bottom, and it goes all the way around, so we shouldn't have to worry about the wind catching this thing. Got pots along the black landscape fabric there. I've been wanting to do that anyway. And right now, everything's a big mess. We got a bunch of scrap wood and just a bunch of stuff that's going to have to be cleaned up. But we're working on it, and it's getting there. And I'm so grateful to my husband and to Nick for all the work they did. And I'll show you the inside in just a second. Okay, so this is the inside of it. We left the doorway frame that we had on the original hoop house for extra wind protection and stuff. And again, this is 28 feet. We may do some PVC, another run of PVC on either side just for rain and snow protection. But yeah, this is it so far, and we'll be back.